How to fix error code 1 in your Minecraft Curseforge game on your mobile, or the website or the PC. For this, the error code 1 in the Minecraft Curseforge can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, I will show you that how can you simply remove it. Sometimes the error code occurs due to the incompatible mod versions of your application you have installed on your device. Make sure you have not received any pop-up regarding the mod or the hacked version of the application. If you have still a doubt, you can simply delete the application and you can download it from the official website of Google Play Store or the application or official game website here. Update your Java display and your drivers. Third is open your Curseforge mod pack folder, navigate to the logs folder with your mod pack here and look for the most recently modified logic. Open the log file within the zipped file and then pay attention to any lines mentioning missing or unsupported mandatory dependencies, just like this as you can see in the example. Now, if your modpack still crashes, repeat steps 3 to 7 times until it loads successfully. Note that if a mod shows that actual range was missing, it might have a bug affecting the mod loader. Consider 1 or 2 days to be solved about this. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.